Welcome to How to Earn Money Chatting with Strangers tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money using Needle website, or the new name of the website is Third Channel. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So if you open the website and then sign in, you will see this page. So here you can apply for a program that interests you, like working as a support or email support. Then you'll hear from them from 48 hours to 72 hours and find out how will you match up. If you've been accepted, then you can begin your training and get working. So let's get started. So here you will apply for a brand or work that you can do. As you see, here's a visual merchandiser on retail merchandiser, and there's a lot of different works here, and you can find the email support or other support workings. So when you apply for any position, what you'll see is the responsibilities, as you see. Then you will click on apply. Then here you can upload your resume. You can use your Indeed resume and apply using LinkedIn. Enter here your full name, email address, phone number, and then you can enter your address. Then you will answer some questions, and then after you finish your application, click on submit application. Then as we saw before, they will respond to your application within 48 hours to 72 hours. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.